Yeah. Yeah. Look, picture me rolling, stepping in loafers, feeling connected to God, trying to get closer, feeling heroic, the devil in motion. Either way, I'm a soldier, I can never lose focus. They say that it's over, ain't no way I'm a slower. You niggas been fraud in the game, so I'm taking it over. Never do shit for the fame, when you gonna remember your name. So I keep it 100, my niggas are stealth row. No, we ain't the same. To the people that say that I changed, this shit just a part of the game. Remember the niggas I started with, doesn't mean that all of them stayed. Remember the nights of the pain, my niggas ain't never complained. It felt like rain was endless, from all of them cloudy days. Now all of my niggas done bossed up, you wanna surround us, gon' cost ya. We popping them bottles and pulling up, we fuck up the club when we going up. You niggas can never compare to us, the shit that we doing is marvelous. I got bitcoins, you got bitcoins, your investments ain't real to us. So I pull up in farmers, hey, they see that I'm on it. They swore I was riding the wave, now they see I'm the ocean. So I pull up in farmers, they see that I'm on it. They swore I was riding the wave, now they see I'm the ocean. Chat, call me the motherfucking ocean, man. Jar. Let's get it. Rest in peace, Nipsey Hussle. That's real shit. Hey, so picture me rolling, stepping in loafers, feeling connected to God, trying to get closer, feeling heroic, the devil in motion. Either way, I'm a soldier, I can never lose focus. Hey, so picture me rolling, stepping in loafers, feeling connected to God, trying to get closer, feeling heroic, the devil in motion. Either way, I'm a soldier, I can never lose focus. Nah. Hey, check, it's real shit.